Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back again to our YouTube channel. It's the Kudunas family. This channel is all about motherhood, marriage, family, cooking, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle in general. As a Nigerian mom living in Cyprus with her family and married to a Cypriot. If this is the kind of content you want to be seeing, if this is the type of video you like to watch, please do well to subscribe, like, share, comment, and do all those good things. Thank you. So on this video, I am showing you people how I clean my fridge. I actually clean my fridge monthly because a month is enough time to clean your fridge. Is enough time for someone to clean his or her fridge, because I don't like it when my fridge is all stocked up and all messed up. And this time of the month is the time I restock the house. When I restock the house, I want to see what I have in the fridge and what I have to throw, or what I have to restock and put in the fridge. So this is what I do basically every month. I just do the check-in regularly every month. I don't skip it. So I actually forgot to make the before, because most times I forget I'm a content creator now. I forget I'm a YouTuber. So it was when I have finished bringing down the stuff, I'm like, oh, I can make a content out of this. So I took my camera and I started recording. So hence you can see me, I have gone halfway through. But notwithstanding, this is what I do every month. I clean my fridge, to help me to, just an overview of what I have to restock and what I have to throw. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and see you all in my next video. And thanks for watching. Bye.